Let me show you how to create this paper cup mockup in Photoshop. Going to Object Selection tool, then choose Rectangle. Then make a selection, just like this. Then select a lasso tool and press Hold Alt. Press Ctrl J. Choose Rectangle tool. Draw a shape. Reduce opacity. Right-click, convert into Smart Object. Right-click, choose Distort, and adjust just like this. Choose Warp, and adjust just like this. Choose Cylinder, and adjust just like this. Double-click on it. Drag your image. Right-click, convert into Smart Object. Press Ctrl T and adjust just like this. Press Ctrl S. Choose Multiply. Going to FX button, choose Blending Options. Underlying, hold Alt. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.